how to use Houzz Pro. So, as a general explanation, this is basically just a business management platform that is designed for contractors, interior designers, and even home renovation professionals. So, to get started, you're gonna have to create a Houzz Pro account and set up your business profile with details like your service, your portfolio photos, and service areas. So you're gonna have to go ahead and log into your newly created account. You gotta put in mind that doing so will cost you since it is a pro version and will cost a subscription, but there is always this book a demo option, so you're gonna have to put in your details still. So your first name, last name, business email, mobile numbers, and other description, what you'd like from Houzz Pro, but then you can just go ahead and press on schedule a demo. And if all goes well, you should be able to try out Houzz Pro to yourself. You'll be able to see the features like the planning, financials, marketing, and other tools that is inside Houzz Pro, but you should be able to see and explore each feature even before getting the subscription, since there are tutorials and videos you can take a look at directly inside the website. But inside the dashboard, once you have created an account and logged in and went for a subscription or booked the demo, you should be able to manage projects, leads, and client communication in one place. You can also create estimates, proposals, and invoices directly in the platform, then send them to clients for approval. Once projects are active, Houzz Pro just helps track progress through the tools like project schedules, task lists, and file sharing with clients. The platform also includes features for online payments, budgeting, and reporting, allowing business to monitor costs and revenue. But overall, Houzz Pro combines CRM, project management, and financial tools to help home service professionals manage project and client relationships for more efficiently. But that's basically the general idea on how Houzz Pro works. We didn't really mention all of them, but there is a lot that comes with this software or tool, so you can always go ahead and explore yourself. It's found directly here in your preferred browser, just search for Houzz Pro. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.